Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is your science friend Srinivas. Now I have come to Brahmaputra river. Now we are going Umananda temple. Okay, so this is a ghat, Brahmaputra ghat. See, there are many boats, tourism boats. Okay, see, there are many boats. So this is ghat, Brahmaputra ghat. But now you see, from the entire city, there's so much of drain water coming from Guwahati city, and all that is getting merged here, okay, in the Brahmaputra river. So this is how we are polluting. Do you think it's good? Okay, this is how we are polluting our rivers. So nicely we are all going into the boats, all our friends and myself. So we are going to sit on the roof of the boat. Okay. Oh, I am into river Brahmaputra, my dear friends. We are going to darshan Lord Shiva at Umananda. Okay, this boat is going to. See, there are many people, and our captain is going to drive our boat. Okay, so there is a steering. He is going to take us. Okay. Oh, there's a fan also. You see, my dear students, here there's a steering. A kind captain is going to drive now. Okay, so there are many controls. Okay, now how he is going to reverse? What kind of controls he is going to control? You all can see them. You see, he already raised the engine. He is honking. Okay, after he is, now he is going to change the gear. He is reversing and is accelerating the engine in a reverse direction. Okay, my dear friends. So this is how you need to know. But there are 2 meters. What those meters are doing, we'll see later. Now slowly our boat is, see, it's changing its direction. Slowly it is changing its direction. See, nicely. See, a lot of people are sitting here. See, there is a engine sound. See, some other boat, you can see some other boat propeller, how it is. Because I can't show you my boat propeller. That's why I'm trying to show you the other boat propeller. They stopped it now. There are some speed boats also going on. You see, this is how. See, that boat is also coming back in reverse direction. This is river Brahmaputra. See how nicely he is controlling the boat. Okay. How beautifully it's doing. See, there are many boats. So I'm so happy to share all such northeastern activities here. We are in Guwahati, a gateway to northeast. See, this is river Brahmaputra coming from China. All these waters are coming from China. Okay, see how nicely our captain is driving our boat. He is steering the boat from here. You can see that. And see, and there are no jerks at all. There are no jerks at all. How nicely this boat is going on. There is another boat is coming behind. Competition between boat to boat there are competitions. You see how nicely this boat is going on. See how nicely this captain is driving. You see, he knows every single control. He's so nicely controlling the boat. No jerks at all. He raised his acceleration to full level. So at a full thrust, the engines are working. The propellers. Okay, nicely. See, there is another boat trying to beat my boat, but our boat is going much faster. Okay, this is how you need to understand. Though that's a smaller boat, okay, but they are not able to pick up the way our boat is picking up, second to second. See sun reflections in river Brahmaputra. How beautiful are that? See how nicely we are going more deeper and deeper inside. You see? See, there are many small boats are also there. So this is how. So our boat's nose is cutting the waters. Okay. With the less friction. You see, there are some rock islands inside Brahmaputra. And there are some trees also. There are power cables. Power tower lines are also there on those small rock islands. Very interesting. Plenty of water. Oh, he is giving a honk to these boats because they are not moving that fast. That's why our captain has given big honk to them so that they are alerted that the big boat is coming. So don't come into that line of this big boat so that, otherwise there will be a dash. So they are going some other directions. Okay. See how nicely they are driving. They too have engines inside. Okay, see? They have the steering, manual steering. But however, there is an engine for that. The propellers are working, but steering is manual. They are manually controlling. But here, our pilot is controlling in it a power steering, like we have for our cars and buses and all these days. Okay. So how interesting, how beautiful is this? See, one boat is going back. Okay. And one boat is in parallel to our main boat. Okay. I think they looks like, I don't know what purpose they are coming with their safety jackets and all. We need to know that. Happy? I think you are very happy. Yeah, I'm there. You all can see me. So this is my boat, power boat. Yeah. So there's a competition between the small boat and big boat. So you see, man, there's a rope way. You want to see the rope? Yeah. See, there's a rope way. You see, some people are coming on the rope way. I thought earlier they are the power lines, but now I can see that they are the rope ways. Rope ways also coming very faster. You see how fast they are coming. So you can see how nicely. But how do they get power? That's rope way. So is it working with electricity? Is the rope carrying electricity? Or do they have the electricity within the rope car? There are wheels. So rope is moving or the cab is moving? This is a very interesting question for all of you. See, I am closing up. You can nicely see how the rope cabs are going in a slope also. Now there is a slope approach. You see how nicely. Because there is a smart boat. That's why my pilot is giving honk. You see how nicely they are going and how beautifully they are crossing the pillar, supporting pillar. How nicely they have crossed. Very interesting design, no? See, even my temple's place also has come, and there's a beautiful boats and beautiful Guwahati, and my pilot is now braking. See, he stopped engines, and now he is applying brake. But how he can apply the brake? Another question to all of you. Slowly he is reaching the place where he wanted to stop. How nice is this idea? Anyway, my dear friends, my Umananda Swami temple has come. Let me go and take darshan, the Lord Shiva's darshan. See how nicely my boat is closely going. There are many people are waiting to go back to the other bank of Brahmaputra, river Brahmaputra. So thank you, and this is your Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. Bye bye. Om Namah Shivaya. Har Har Mahadev. Shambho Shankara. Om Namah Shivaya.